Seniors say they're getting less but paying more for it. Rates for long-term accommodation jumped last summer, but those paying the increase say life hasn't improved for them at all. David Giroux has that story.
They raised the rentals almost 50% with no public consent, and seniors were left with no dough.
The raging grannies are singing about seniors getting the shaft. It's a sentiment echoed by those enjoying the show. Bill McDuke says he used to pay $800 a month for care. Now it costs him $1,300.
I don't see any improvement.
They promised us that we would have natural gas rates.
Yeah, no people.
And after the election, what happened?
Do less now.
We were told.
The accommodation rates jumped last August. The justification? The province said it would improve quality of care and services. But this seniors advocacy group says grants were slashed at the same time.
The grant to cover seniors' health care costs went down and accommodation rates went up. The seniors were forced to subsidize the reduction in the Alberta government portion of their health care.
Seniors United now says the government is misleading people.
They were blatant misinformation, and some people would even refer to them as untruths and maybe even lies.
I would say that
Linda Johnson says staff was cut at her mother's nursing home after the rate hike. Now she's circulating a petition. The goal? To make the government accountable for the increase.
Is it going where it was intended to? Who's making the money? When you don't see any changes within your facilities, just as they said today, and I think audit should be done.
This press release states the rate hike would be used to improve services, but now Premier Ralph Klein says it was only supposed to maintain current levels of care.
It was to maintain and more realistically, as I said, to more realistically reflect the cost of long-term care. We're still subsidizing a tremendous amount.
Seniors say that's not what they were told. They say the status quo is unacceptable and are now planning how to tackle the issue as the province prepares for a fall election. David Giroux, CBC News, Edmonton.